Today your Arduino will see the dark. Light goes low, the LED turns on by itself. No switch, no button, let's build it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Hamza Robo. Last time we built a flame detector. Today we make a night light. It turns on in the dark all by itself. You need 5 things: Arduino Uno, USB cable, LDR sensor, one LED and 2 resistor, 1K resistor. This small part is an LDR. LDR means light dependent resistor. It feel light not with the camera. It feel brightness. When there is a lot of light, the number is high. When it is dark, the number drops. That's how we know. Now let's connect everything. Take it slow. One leg of the LDR goes to 5 volt and other leg of the LDR goes to A0. Same leg also goes to one end of the resistor and other end of that resistor goes to ground. Now the LED long leg goes to pin 13 through resistor. And short leg goes to ground. That's all the wiring. LED and LDR. Now open Arduino IDE. Let's write the code together. First we make a number. We call it threshold. This number is 500. It helps us to decide is this dark or not. In setup we tell pin 13. It is in output. We also start a serial so we can see the number on a screen. In loop we read the sensor. We call this is LDR value. If LDR value is less than 500, it's mean it is dark, so LED turns on. If LDR value is 500 or more, there is enough light, LED turns off. Then we wait a little bit and check again and again forever. Now plug in your Arduino. And now pick your board. And pick your port. Click and upload. Now open the serial monitor. These numbers change all the time. Cover the LDR with your hand. Watch the number drops. Watch the LED turns on. Let's remember what we did. The LDR feels light, the number drops. When it is dark, our code check this number. Low number means dark. LED turns on. This one idea is used in a real street light too. Great job. You just built a real night light. Next we will add a potentiometer to set your on darkness level. Next video we add a dial so you can set your on darkness level. Subscribe to Hamza Robo. Take care and happy learning.